na street ma ọ dịrị izu. So this is Kingsley Kayine Dioye Mado bringing report to you. Though it's raining, I just want to give a brief look at what those are there like for today. Just take a glimpse look at our environment today. You know, there is Oka Road. Though it's raining, but I just want to take a walk to some area so that you guys can actually see as it is this morning. I'm just kind of taking a walk in the rain only to bring to you guys the happenings around this Oka Road. I am heading towards Savoy, as you all can see. You can see how busy the road is. Though as of now, all the shops in Oka Road, still the same thing, everywhere is locked. Everywhere is locked. Today is the Monday, and I wouldn't know how tomorrow will look after today, but at the same time, you guys should at least take a little look on our environment. No shop is open. Every shop is locked. No? This shit, man. Na many na makwamo when me and I do it easy, but I had to do journalism. Journalism is not akaramata, you know. Journalism is not akaramata. So we are here to inform our people. Those that are not, you know, are not, how will I put it now? Those that are not informed, the reason why you see us is that we are only here to inform those who are not informed. As you can see, the happenings in Oka Road, so this as it is, I'm just bringing it to your doorstep so that you see how everywhere is looking this morning. Though it's raining, even Nnamdi Kanu, few of them that are actually still, you know. So the game is, I'm walking towards, what is it called? Towards Savoy Junction. I'll be taking a look at Enugu Road, taking a look at some areas. I will be wanting, I don't know if this guy is online, Afri Atoka, to actually give us updates on what is actually playing out in Oka, you know. So this is the game. Watching out and reporting to you guys how the environment is looking everywhere. As you can see, is under lock and key. Yep. Even now, I'm just approaching Savoy Junction. You know, on your own, you can see how busy the road is looking this morning. All the shops, all the car shops, all the Arctic shops, the pharmacy, everywhere is locked. The filling station, you know, everywhere is actually locked. Though you can see few people on the road. Take a look at the environment. This is a street that is heading to Water Walls. The gate is permanently shut. Simply means nobody's coming out. You know, the gate is normally open by 5:36. Now this is Edison Edison filling station. The next is Rain Oil. You know, wow. As a many days when I don't know how to come outside, but finally I'm out to actually take a little update. To take a little update on the happenings in our environment. Though it has been said that Ipob leadership have actually suspended every Monday sit at home, which they give their press statement that tomorrow being 14th of September will be a sit at home in remembrance of those that were killed on 14th September 2017 at Afari Ibeku. Now, many are expected that today will be a working day while tomorrow will be a day to observe, but the people are sitting at home both the Monday and at the same time they will still be sitting at home both the Tuesday. So the governor of Anambra said in the person of Willie Obiano called a security council meeting calling on all the security heads and bank managers, instructing, and all the whole market leaders, instructing them to make sure that business activities resume today, being 13th of September. Despite all they have discussed, despite the agreement, as you can see, today, no one is out. All the market leaders are in their houses. You know, the bank managers, I don't know, maybe later in the day we'll be getting information from them to know how they manage to operate today. Because one thing I've come to understand is that an institution like financial institution should be very careful in a situation like this, because if with the kind of situation we are face to face with now, if you don't trade carefully, they might be a victim of evil circumstances surrounding this whole scenario. So that is all I can say. Now I'm approaching this Zik roundabout, meaning I'm at the moment now. My video might not be long this morning because it's raining. I'm at Zik roundabout. I just want to capture Enugu Road. I just want to take a picture of Enugu Road and Vero. Just want to take a picture of Enugu Road and Vero. So when you look at, we are at Zik roundabout now. Let me take the other hand. First and foremost, let me take update as it is. Now the place I'm heading now is people actually coming from Enugu. We're going to be looking at the bus stop. This is Zik roundabout. This one is an entrance. If you are coming from Enugu, you can see how it is. The update. If you're familiar with this road, you know that this place is a very busy spot where we have Otolo cars and all that. This place is a very busy spot, but people are not actually out. Yes, the place we are now is Boromeo bus stop. I'll be showing you guys some stuff. This place in Enyensobu. So look at it now. This Boromir bus stop. Ah. Hey, yeah. Yeah, also, this Enugu si alota. As you can see, everybody know here now, they're too busy to ignore. But the truth is that the way amen now, you can see everywhere they calm, quiet. The road is deserted. Everybody is at home. I keep asking myself what is actually happening in Anambra State, in the eastern region. We talk about Anambra, Imo, Enugu, Bayelsa, Enugu, Ebonyi State, Abia State. These areas, they are observing indoor today. Tomorrow, Tuesday, they will be indoor. Accordingly, though, each of the state, the government and the governor has issued a statement that people should ignore the directive of Ipob and go about their normal businesses, as they will provide security personnel that will actually secure life and properties of people, of indigenes. Now I'm asking again, why are the indigenes, why did they decide to be indoor? Why are they keeping mute? Why are they not going according to the directive of the governors? What is actually happening? Why are they adhering to the law, to the directive of IPOBs and her leadership? Why? You can see, yeah, this we are also the road coming from Enugu. You know, I just want to capture it very well so that you can get the details. Now, they go to the Enugu card. What says the time now? Look at it now. This is 3 minutes after 9. They go to Enugu now. This is the road heading to New Pass. If you call them, a very busy road. The watch I get here, the one leading to Anambra Phase 2 is locked. What is actually happening? Take a look at the deserted road. Now let me take a shot on that part going to, what is it called? On that part going to Mpo. On that part going to Mpo. Remember I said I won't be taking long because it's raining. I just want to take a shot of some, silly busy road and junction to actually update you guys on the happenings as far as our environment is concerned this morning. As you can see, these ones are the road if you're coming from Onitsha going to Enugu. If you call them now, both Onitsha South, their company is under lock and key. Yeah, the terrible. This is terrible. And tomorrow people will still be sitting at home. Why is it that the people are not adhering to the directive of the state governors and the security? What is actually happening? Does it actually mean that the state governors have lost her grip? Who are the people giving directive on this land now today? Who are the owners of the land today? It's the one more. Now, this is a road heading to Army Barrack. This is a road heading to Army Barrack. That is heading to Opiweka. If you are coming from Head Bridge, Openisi Head Bridge, Abagote Enugu. This Head Bridge, Abagote Army Barrack. This Head Bridge, Ejempo. This is the way he is in Abagote. Now you can see how busy the road is. Despite the warnings, maybe after the rain, I'll be visiting some of the bank to actually obtain updates from their daily activities. I am because I'm one of the institutions, government in a instruction, what the banks, that in no condition should they shut their bank. And I will be looking at those areas today. So, one name of the easy odogo. Ndi Igbo kezi ono na like roze ego. Afe ego jugo ndi Igbo. This is my golden question. My golden question this morning is that afe ego ojugo ndi Igbo. Ndi Igbo afe ego ojugo uno. Ono na like roze ego. What is actually happening? Are you people locking your shop? Came on with what is the shop on Igbo? Or Kagini Mezi Afego Jugun na Afego Jugundibo, this is what I'm asking. I open a mafu kake bunjopi wake and I would have loved to take a little track. Kaijago dopi wake, Kaima called but with what I'm seeing here, there is no doubt. Now everywhere in Anambra they grounded, even in Oka. Hopefully, I believe we'll be getting a report from Oka soon to update the business daily activities in Oka, that the capital of the state, to actually know the situation and the position of things there. But I'm reporting live from the city of Onitsha, precisely all the major road connecting to ever busy markets in Anambra is on a desert mode. Now I take it again back. This is where I'm coming from. Can see how busy they are. So look at the road. Now this way now, you're seeing now is heading to Barrack. This one is heading to Barrack. If we call it, everywhere the pacha. This one is people coming from Opiweka. People coming from Barrack, Opiweka, Head Bridge. If we go to Kebeni Nedi. Everywhere now under lock and key. Now, I don't know, but we know as of yesterday there is a strong warning from the governor that everybody should go to their normal business. I ask a golden question that I'm asking this morning. Anambra like roze ego, Ndi Igbo ego, ona like roze ego jugu no afọ. You know? Ego jugo Ndi Igbo afọ. Everywhere is locked. Ndị na-afọ na ndị pụtaburu ilo kaka na-ebunazi na ya. You know? This is something we cannot fathom. Ndị Igbo ajụọla ego. Igbo jụrụ ego. Anọ m na Zik roundabout again. Now, I'll be taking a view down Walker Road. Yeah, Walker Road now that I'm viewing. Now this road is a major road linking to Ochanja, Main Market. Or say you can connect from here to Head Bridge as well. Look at the road. Look at the road now. You'll understand how the thing is playing. I don't know. I'll be coming back to you guys, but before now, if you're privileged to be part of this video, share it. Share the video. Share the video. Why people join us. In a short moment, I'll be going offline to resume back again. Maybe after the rain might have subsided. Next car and you can do that. So you look at the environment everywhere, filling station everywhere they locked, nothing is happening. So I'll be going offline to actually connect to our brothers who will be updating us from Oka, people that will be updating us from Imo State, those that will be updating us from Abia, Enugu. so that we will gather our information as everything is going today. So that is just the truth. That is just the truth. It is not easy. It is not easy. Easy. Look at the road. How busy the road is. Share the program. Share this video to update the world. Let me take a look again at my back. This Boromir roundabout, ever busy bus stop. You see how scanty it's looking. You see how now. Take a look at the shops you see here. None of the shop is open. Take a look at filling station. Everywhere is under lock and key. But the state governor has actually issued a directive that everybody should go about their business as it were, that today being 13th. But we are now, this is 12 minutes after 9. The whole environment is still looking the way it's looking now. So what are we going to call it? Are people going to be coming out by 10 o'clock or by 11 o'clock? Or people have decided to keep or stay at home? This is where I'll be coming to an end of this morning breakfast update. I'll be coming back to you guys. One love, Umundem. God bless every one of you. I remember my humble self speaking for you, working for everybody, uniting the Igbos, and making sure that our voice are heard. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Umundem, until I come your way again.